ever looked at someone else's English and thought, wow, they are so fluent, मैं भी कभी ऐसा बनूंगा? Or on social media, everyone else is better than me. So if yes, then you are not alone. Today, I want to explain why this habit slows your progress. When I was learning English, I used to compare myself with others. I would think, she speaks so confident, मैं ऐसा कब बोल पाऊंगी? He has such a good accent, मेरे से कब होगा? And instead of motivating myself, it makes me feel stuck, frustrated. I realized later, comparison was my biggest enemy. Number one reason, everyone has their own timeline. The first reason is comparison slows you down. Everyone has a different journey. Some people might speak faster, some people go slow because they have their different approaches of learning and their life experiences. And your pace is your own pace. Compare yourself with you yesterday. Now, reason two, comparison creates pressure. When you compare, your main focus is on comparison, not on learning. You think, if I make a mistake, I will fall behind. This pressure creates anxiety, and anxiety blocks learning. Confidence drops, progress slows. Now, reason three, comparison shift focus outside. Instead of focusing on your own progress, your attention shift to someone else. How fast they speak, how perfect their grammar it is, how good their accents sound. You forgot learning is about your own thing. Comparison makes you reactive, not proactive. Remember, I see my students feel this every day. Ma'am, he speaks better. I think I can never catch up. I can truly understand because I have been there. The truth is that you are improving if you're making mistakes. And stop measuring yourself today only with someone else's progress. Hear what I tell my students. You only compare yourself with you yesterday. Ask yourself, did I speak more today than yesterday? Did I make fewer mistakes than last time? Did I try something new? When your focus shifts inwards, your confidence grows naturally. Your progress accelerates. Next, limit social media comparison. Don't just stuck on by looking at the other people. Journal yourself, record yourself, and celebrate small wins. So in this way, you will get confident. Even one progress is internal, not external. Okay. Next, it is comparison steals joy in learning. Focus on your journey and celebrate small things. Keep taking one step at a time. You are improving more than you realize. Trust yourself. Stop comparing and start practicing. I believe in you, and one day you will look back and say how far I have come. So make sure to keep on practicing and stop comparing from today onwards. If you find this video useful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching, keep smiling.